Hello everyone, welcome to our video on keyword research techniques for SEO success. Keyword research is the foundation of any successful SEO strategy. It helps you understand what people are searching for and how you can tailor your content to meet their needs. In this video, we'll explore the essential techniques for conducting effective keyword research that will boost your website's visibility and drive more organic traffic. What is keyword research? Keyword research is the process of finding and analyzing the phrases people use to search for information on the internet. It's crucial for SEO because it helps you identify the right keywords to target, ensuring that your content is relevant and visible to your target audience. Why is keyword research important? Keyword research is important because it allows you to create content that resonates with your audience. By understanding what people are searching for, you can craft content that answers their queries, increasing your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. Keyword research techniques for SEO success. 1. Brainstorming. The first step in keyword research is brainstorming. This involves identifying generic keywords related to your business or niche. Consider your unique selling points, USPs, and who your target audience is. Write down all the keywords you think your website should be found for. 2. Topic buckets. Create topic buckets based on your brainstorming session. These are broad categories that your content can fall under. For example, if you're in the marketing industry, your topic buckets might include SEO, blogging, and social media marketing. 3. Competitor keyword research. Analyzing your competitors' keywords can provide valuable insights. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to identify keywords your competitors are ranking for, especially those where they're almost ranking well but not quite there. These can be golden opportunities for you to step in and rank higher. 4. Long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are less competitive and more specific phrases that have lower search volumes but are easier to rank for. They often have higher conversion rates because they match more specific user intent. For instance, instead of targeting best coffee maker, you could target best small coffee maker for home use. 5. Search intent. Understanding search intent is crucial. It involves identifying whether your content matches the user's intent behind their search query. Search intent can be informational, navigational, or transactional. Ensure your content aligns with the intent of your target keywords. 6. Keyword research tools. Utilize keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Backlinko to streamline your process. These tools provide insights into search volume, keyword difficulty, and competitor analysis, helping you refine your keyword strategy. 7. AI in keyword research. Generative AI is changing the landscape of keyword research by making it faster and more precise. AI tools can help identify trends, suggest long-tail keywords, and classify keywords into intent groups, ensuring your content is highly relevant and effective. Keyword research process chart. Keyword research step description benefits. Brainstorming identify generic keywords related to your business. Establishes foundational keywords. Topic buckets create broad categories for your content. Organizes content strategy. Competitor research analyze competitors' keywords for opportunities. Identifies gaps in the market. Long-tail keywords target less competitive, specific phrases. Easier to rank and higher conversion rates. Search intent align content with user intent. Improves relevance and ranking. Keyword tools use tools for insights into search volume and difficulty. Informs keyword strategy. AI integration utilize AI for trend analysis and keyword suggestions. Enhances efficiency and relevance. Example: conducting keyword research for an e-commerce site. Let's say you run an e-commerce platform selling high-end TVS. Here's how you can apply these techniques. Brainstorming. Identify generic keywords like high-end TVS and 4K TVS. Topic buckets. Create buckets for TV brands, TV features, and TV reviews. Competitor research. Use tools to find keywords your competitors are ranking for, such as Best Smart TVs or OLED TVs. Long-tail keywords target terms like Best 4K Smart TVs for gaming or top-rated OLED TVs under $2,000. Search intent. Ensure your content aligns with user intent, whether informational, example, what is OLED TV, or transactional, example, buy OLED TV online. Measuring success in keyword research. To measure the success of your keyword research efforts, track metrics such as organic traffic, the number of visitors coming from search engines; keyword rankings, how high your pages rank for specific keywords; conversion rates, the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action. Conclusion. Keyword research is a critical component of SEO that requires ongoing effort and optimization. By mastering these techniques, you can create a robust keyword strategy that drives more traffic to your website and boosts your online presence. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into keyword research techniques for SEO success. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on digital marketing and SEO. We regularly post new videos to help you improve your online skills and stay updated with the latest trends in the digital world. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest videos.